Your belly fat isn't just fat. It's stubborn, hard, hormonal fat that refuses to melt no matter how much you diet. But what if I told you the real solution has been sitting in your kitchen this whole time? And it's pink. Yes. The same pink salt you sprinkle on your food can help melt belly fat when you mix it the right way. Most people don't know this, but pink Himalayan salt doesn't just add taste. It helps your body flush out trapped water, reduce bloating, balance minerals, improve digestion, and support the exact hormones that control your fat-burning switch. But here's the trick. Simply adding pink salt to your food won't do anything. The real transformation happens when you prepare it in a simple detox drink taken at the right time. So listen closely, because thousands of people claim this one drink became the turning point for their belly fat journey. Begin with warm water. Not hot, not cold. Just warm enough to wake up your digestion. Add a pinch of pink Himalayan salt. Not a teaspoon, just a pinch. Then squeeze half a lemon into it. Lemon activates your liver, boosts metabolism, and helps your body burn stored fat as energy. Now add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. This ingredient supports insulin levels, improves fat burning, and lowers cravings, especially late-night cravings that cause weight gain. Finally, add a small drop of honey if you want taste, but it's optional. When you drink this mixture on an empty stomach, especially in the morning, something powerful begins to happen inside your body. The pink salt starts by balancing your electrolytes and reducing water retention. The lemon cleans out toxins and wakes up your metabolism. The apple cider vinegar controls your blood sugar and triggers fat-burning mode. All three together act like a natural ignition switch, making your belly look less bloated and helping stored fat break down faster. People who take this daily often notice their stomach feels lighter, their digestion improves, and their cravings reduce after just a few days. But here's the part nobody talks about. Belly fat is not only about food, it's about stress hormones. Pink salt, when taken this way, helps your adrenal glands relax and reduces stress-related fat storage. That's why some people feel calmer and more energized after taking it. And when your stress hormones are balanced, your body finally allows stubborn fat to melt, especially around the waist. Drink this once every morning for 7 to 10 days and notice the difference. Your stomach won't just look flatter, it will feel lighter. Your digestion will become smoother. Your appetite will be more controlled, and that heaviness you feel around your belly will slowly disappear. But remember, consistency matters. Don't expect this to melt all your fat overnight. This drink works like a daily reset button, helping your body burn fat naturally, smoothly, and safely. The more consistent you are, the faster your belly fat responds. If you want even better results, avoid heavy, salty packaged foods at night. Eat more high-fiber foods like apples, chia seeds, oats, and leafy greens. And drink more water during the day. These simple habits, combined with the pink salt mixture, speed up the belly fat melting process dramatically. Try this every morning and watch how your belly starts shrinking without extreme dieting or heavy workouts. Sometimes the biggest transformation comes from the simplest change, and this tiny pinch of pink salt might be exactly what your body has needed all along.